Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to create a free online signature in minutes. Creating signatures using BoldSign's free online signature tool is fast, 100% free, unlimited, requires no sign-up, watermark-free, and easy to add to any document. Open your browser and head to the BoldSign free online signature generator page. The link is in the video description. Here is how it works in just 3 simple steps. Draw a signature using your mouse, touchscreen, or stylus. Pick a color to match your preference, and download instantly to save your signature and add it directly to your documents. Proceed to draw your signature using your mouse or touchpad. If it's not quite right, use the undo, redo, or clear options to perfect it. You can also choose a signature color from 4 options. For example, I'll go with black. Once you're happy with your signature, you can download it as PNG by clicking the Download as PNG button. Your signature is now ready to be applied to any document. That's it. Your digital signature is created in under a minute. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.